It's time to get crafty with our next Halloween countdown, Halloween craft. And today we are making a paper pumpkin. All you need is orange and green construction paper, a white crayon, a pencil, a ruler, a pair of scissors, and some glue. Now, if you don't have a green crayon, you can use a marker. But I do have these really nice colored pencils that I got from an art store a while ago, and I am really liking the way this green one is turning out. Now, the very first thing we gonna do is take our orange construction paper and we gonna fold it in half and then unfold it. And then we gonna take our pencil and we gonna make a little mark right here where the fold lines are. We're just gonna make a little dot just like that. Then we gonna turn it so that the open edge is at the top and the bottom is at the bottom. And then we gonna take our ruler and we gonna draw a line all the way down just like that. Make sure that you have even spacing between your line and that little mark that you made with your pencil. Once you have it all measured out, you can go ahead and cut it out. Now, I like to have my kids trace around a lid from a yogurt container or a margarine container just to make the circle part of the pumpkin. So go ahead and trace around that circle. Now, if you don't have anything to trace around, you can just use a cup. Trace around that also. Next, we going to take our green construction paper and we going to do the same thing. Fold it in half, unfold it, put the line in, crease it, turn it the other way, put the ruler on there, and then cut it out. This is going to be the stem of your pumpkin. Now trace around the bottom of that cup or the top of that yogurt container again to make the little bottom part of your pumpkin stem. Cut that out, set it to the side. Take your orange pumpkin, roll it up, starting at the top. Roll it up tightly and then glue the ends together. Now take that green piece of construction paper, roll that up tightly and then glue the ends together. Take that bottom piece of the stem, put a little bit of glue on it and stick it to the bottom of the pumpkin. Put a little dab of glue on the inside of the pumpkin. Stick that stem to the inside of the pumpkin. Take your white crayon and then go ahead and color inside the pumpkin. Now, I'm just doing little lines, but you can do whatever design you want to do inside of your pumpkin. It's all up to you. And last, you can cut out a little face. I like to use a black marker for this, but you can cut out whatever face you would like. Put that on your pumpkin and you're all done. Now you have a super cute paper pumpkin to add to your Halloween decor. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and then click on that beautiful purple subscribe button down below.